We're a team of registered dietitians and chefs.
And we're here to show you how to make meals that are flavorful, nourishing, and realistic for life.
Our base recipes are more like formulas than strict rules.
You get the framework, then make it your own.
10 ingredients or less, affordable, pantry-friendly, always tested, always tasty. And we've built tools to help you succeed at home.
Explore our online cooking classes, interactive meal plan, recipe collection, and our book.
Resources designed to take the guesswork out of healthy eating.
And make cooking a skill that you actually enjoy. Prefer hands-on learning?
We also offer virtual and in-person cooking demonstrations and culinary classes
to help you sharpen your skills in real time.
So let's make food exciting again. Learn the skills, use our base recipes,
and create meals that make you feel good.
Check out our online shop and courses today.